You know, it just doesn't seem as bright as usual. Don't you think, Mama Pet?
What? I don't think the sun woke up yet. I'm going to go wake up the sun. The sun's awake. There's a light switch in the sun. Oh my God!
It's a me. It's a me, Mario. It's a me.
What happened?
Cappy overtook your body.
So what? Which is like, what is this episode about?
I agree with Perry. It should be about the dastardous noise.
I thought it would be about Jimmy.
You know, that's a good topic to base it on. You know what? How about we talk about pranks? Pranking 101 by Harold. For my first prank, you gotta get a banana.
Yeah,
Banana and a bathtub.
Yuck!
You're gonna have the person slip on the banana and fall into the bathtub. That's where you throw the piano on his head.
Actually, this episode should be about Pokedex and dating.
This episode of Pokemon Plushie Show is brought to you by Rotos.
I thought it was brought to you by Blacky's Funny Doings International.
Well, don't care about that.
What? Not that! How about let's do You're Just Dating a Love?
Aliens! Ugh. No, that makes no sense, because none of us here are girls.
How about Christmas?
This makes no sense, because none of us here are girls. I'm a girl. Get out of here.
This is the Plushie Show.